first term, which in this case is x cubed, and the x. We multiply the x squared to each number of the divisor. After we multiply the x squared with the x and the negative 3, we have to subtract them. That will give us x squared. Now we will bring down the 0x and we will repeat the same steps. We divide the 0x by the x and it will give us an x. That x will be multiplied by the x and the negative 3. The next step is to subtract the numbers that we had, the x squared by the 0x, and the new numbers, which are x squared by negative 3x. We will repeat the same process one last time, since we are the negative 4. We divide the negative 4 by the x and the answer multiplied by the x and the negative 3. The new numbers that we have are going to be subtracted by the numbers we had, and that will give us 5. This 5 will stay as our remainder. Our final answer will be written as x squared plus x plus 3 plus our remainder, which is 5 divided by x minus 3.
Synthetic division. Well, as you can see, we have two parentheses that are divided. The first parenthesis, the numbers that are inside of it, we're gonna place them down. We're gonna place synthetic the 2 division at a side. Well, the negative 5, as you can see, at a side, we have two parentheses minus 1 that are divided. 3. The first parenthesis, the second step, is to put a line that will divide all our numbers. The third step would be to put from the second parenthesis the positive 3 at a side of all our numbers as a negative 3. The step 4 is to solve. So first, we always gonna bring down the first term as it is. So for example, we have the 2, so we're gonna bring it down as it is, 2. Then our second step will be to multiply numbers. Which numbers? The negative 3 and that 2. So 3 times 2, it's negative 6 because we have the negative 3. Then we're gonna add which numbers? Well, we're gonna add negative 5 plus minus 6. That will give us negative 11. Then we're going to multiply negative 11 times negative 3. That will give us positive 33. Negative 1 will be added plus 33. That will give us 32. Then 32 times negative 3. That will give us negative 96. Then we'll add 3 plus negative 96. That will give us negative 93. The fifth step is to bring down the variables and exponents. We always gonna bring down, if we have x4, x3, we're gonna be bringing down exponent and variable and an exponent less than it is in the parentheses of our problem. In this case, we have x to the 3. Well, in the case of the 2, we're gonna place x to the 2. Then you continue with x and then with normal numbers. So as you could see, we're going to place the final answer. That will be 2x to the square minus 11x plus 32, and you leave the negative 93. But look at it. When you're gonna place your final answer, you will put 2x to the square, negative 11x, positive 32, plus, and as you have a negative sign, you won't put negative and then the number above the division, because we're gonna make a division. But we're gonna put the positive And as we have negative 93, the negative 93, all the number would be written down above x, above the number x plus 3. So that will be our final answer. A comment I want to tell you is that always when you multiply negative numbers, for example, in the case we have negative 11 times negative 3, in this case you need to change the sign to positive. In here you don't have to put like negative 11 times negative 3, it will be negative 33. No, forget about it. You are gonna put the positive sign always. And always remember all the detailed information. Thank you.